Presenting the 2006 Suzuki Aereo. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine, and a four-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a spoiler, independent suspension, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, automatic climate control, front airbags, side airbags, child safety locks, child restraint seats, power outlets, air conditioning, power door locks, power windows. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
This is a Carfax one-owner vehicle which qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of the Carfax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. Just say, "Show me the Carfax."